Dear students, in this online class, we are going to learn about the types of insurance. Truly speaking, basically, there are three types of insurance, namely fire insurance, marine insurance, and life insurance. About these types of insurance, we are going to learn in this online class. Let us see the first one, fire insurance. What do you mean by fire insurance? So the name itself here indicates that it's a fire insurance. It is a legal contract between an insurance company and the policyholder, which guarantees that any loss or damages caused to the policyholder's goods or property in a fire will be paid by the insurance company. Fire insurance contract provides coverage against incidents of accidental fire, lightning, or explosion. In this fire insurance, the insurance company is liable to compensate to the policyholder only in these conditions. That means a claim for loss by fire insurance must satisfy these two following conditions. First, there must be actual loss. That means there should be happening of some actual loss or damage for the goods or the properties or the stock. The second one, fire must be accidental. So the fire must be accidental, and behind that there is no any intentional, means there should not be any other intentionality. So fire should be accidental, and it should not be intentional. The second one, marine insurance. This provides coverage against any loss caused to cargo vessels, ships in which the goods are transported from one point of origin to another. This insurance coverage includes loss caused to the ship or cargo or ship while is grounded, and also from untoward perils such as sinking, collision, burning, theft, terrorist attack, and natural perils like tsunami. This is what about the second one, marine insurance. The third one coming about life insurance. So in this life insurance, the insurance company is liable to compensate the amount, means the amount is going to be settled by the insurance company on the happening of two events. Those two are either the end of the particular contract period or the death of a policyholder. Which one takes earlier? At that point of time, the company is going to compensate. That means the insurance company is liable either happening of death or end of the contract period, whichever is earlier. That is about life insurance. So it is a contract between an insurer and the policyholder. A life insurance policy guarantees the insurer pays a sum of money to the named beneficiaries when the insured or the policyholder dies in exchange for the premiums paid by the policyholder during his or her lifetime. This is what about life insurance. So, in all these three types of insurance, no doubt the policyholder has to pay the insurance premium from time to time. It is compulsory. And on happening of certain events, in case of fire, in case of life, subject matter is age or the contract period. In case of marine, the subject matter is about goods or the properties. And even in case of fire insurance, the subject matter is about goods and any properties. So if these are destroyed or damages, then the company is liable to pay compensation, because the insurance company already received from the people, means these policyholder, premium amount. So when premium amount received, no doubt the company has to go for compensate only on happening of those events which are mentioned in the contract. This is what about types of insurance: fire insurance, marine insurance, and life insurance. Thank you.